Let's go, Captain.
I remember Emma wrapping me in her scarf.
All the toys renewed with hope.
This entire anime short film, every scene, every character, was created in under 10 minutes. No animation team, just one AI tool and a single idea. Most AI video tools give you 5-second clips that look nothing like each other. But what you're watching right now? This is a complete story with the same characters, coherent plot, cinematic camera work, voice acting, and music, all generated from one tool. Meet Elzer AI. This isn't a clip generator. It's a full production studio that takes you from idea to finished film. I'm going to show you exactly how I made this. Let's dive in. Head over to Elzer AI, an all-in-one AI video and anime generator. It creates videos up to 30 minutes long, not 5 seconds, with consistent characters across 180+ scenes. That's 30% higher character consistency than any other AI video tool in benchmarks. This is built for people who want to finish and publish actual projects. Just click on Create New and sign in. Alright, select Anime and Movie. Let's create something. Here you can start with a full script or a short idea. I'm starting with the short idea option and giving just one sentence. A teddy bear named Patches is left at a train station and journeys across the city to find his 7-year-old owner, Emma, who's heartbroken without him. Now click Next. Elzer's AI script generator takes that and creating a full narrative structure. Look at this. It's giving me character arcs, scene breakdowns, dialogue, emotional beats. This is a real script. I can edit this manually or let the AI director guide me. Click Next. We are in the Settings feature. Here you can rename the project. I am typing The Forgotten Toy. Select the aspect ratio as 16:9, and now scroll down the image model option. Now select the best AI model for each task. Here you will find Nano Banana Pro and Elzer Image S. I am choosing Elzer Image S. It works best. For video models, I am going with the same model. Audio is built in. Voiceover, dialogue, automatic lip sync, and background music. You can clone your own voice. I'm selecting Calm American for the narrator's voice. Now select the duration. I'm going with 5 seconds. Now for the video style. Elzer has over 20 styles. Anime, cyberpunk, realistic, comic book, pixel art. I'm going with Studio Ghibli style for dramatic touch. Now we are in the cast feature. Elzer is analyzing the characters. This is where most AI tools fall apart. But Elzer maintains character consistency across every single scene. Here are all of my characters ready. Now you can set the visual tone. The system remembers this character's voice and keeps them consistent through the entire film. Click on Finish. Here's where you choose your workflow. Auto-generate creates all the storyboard images automatically from your script. AI does the heavy lifting. Manual generate gives you shot-by-shot control. I'm going with Auto to show you how fast Elzer can turn an idea into a full visual story. Now we are in the storyboarding sector. Elzer automatically breaks my script into scenes and suggests shot compositions. In camera settings, you can adjust the shot as close-up, near shot, or wide. I've got wide shots for establishing scenes. You can even adjust the camera angle. The AI director is suggesting camera angles, lighting, pacing, but I have full control. It's like having a cinematographer and editor built into the tool. Here is fragment 1, and here is fragment 2. Now just click here and check that the character is consistent in all the scenes. To generate video, click on Video and select Generate Video. See this auto mode toggle? When it's on, images and audio auto-generate after each edit. Saves tons of time. For this tutorial, I'll show you the manual process so you understand each step. To generate all the video, just follow the same process and click on Generate Video. Move to the timeline. All shots and audio sync automatically to the editing timeline for trimming and arrangement. Just trim scenes, adjust timing, add transitions, refine the pacing. Generate background music to enrich your final video. In AI music, just type your music type. And voila! You will get your BGM and directly add it to your timeline. You can even add dialogue. Just type your line and set emotion. Select the preferable voice. Click on Generate Voiceover. Done. Just add it to the right place. Generate sound effects to make your film more interesting. Just search the sound effect and add it to your timeline. Once satisfied with the result, export your completed film in one click. Here is the final film.
They had given up, their voices sanded.
Let's go, Captain. We can reach the top together. Stay steady.
I remember Emma wrapping me in her scarf.
Patches, you're here, finally. Blinky, you're safe now. Look at you.
Emma starts a lost toy finder club.
All the toys renewed with hope.
They say toys are just things. But to the ones who love us, we're everything.
Wow. The character is the same in every shot. The camera work is cinematic. The voice acting matches the emotion. Notice how Patches looks consistent across every shot, and the prompts are cinematic and detailed. This is the AI director at work, turning my simple idea into a professional storyboard. I made this in 10 minutes. A traditional animation team would need months. And the cost? Much lower cost than traditional animation workflows. Offers lower pricing compared to platforms such as FreePic, Krea, and OpenArt. Elzer AI uses unlimited generation on their annual plans. You're not counting credits for every single shot. If you want to create your own anime films, story-driven videos, or any long-form content, you need to try Elzer AI. I've put the link in the description. Click it and you'll get free usage credits to get started. Like the video and subscribe to get more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!